Friends, I am Ankit and welcome to my channel. I am here with my daily analysis and prediction for Dow Jones and Tech 100. Yesterday we were very much spot on when I said I am bearish on Tech 100 and it dropped. It dropped like hell. It dropped towards 13,200. That was the level we had shared in my monthly analysis that I am looking forward to 13,200, and below that we are going to sub 13,000 levels also, very much possible this month. And Dow Jones, despite achieving the high at 35,100, that is what I had shared, and the low which I had predicted 34,700, it did touch that also. So I hope you all profited, and if you do, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment, friends. And if you want to gain the same expertise, please join our Telegram channel. We are starting away with our batch 2 of the training sessions. People are enjoying it already, and you can also join. Hurry up, seats are limited. So let's start with the training, and let's start with the analysis. Right now Tech 100 is trading at around 13,100, and it is already seen sub 13,100 levels. Now, power of analysis, as how I had told you that we are going to look for sub 13,000 levels this month. And see, this is a 4-hour candle and a 4-hour chart. What a drop it is seen, and almost, see, this is going to complete this drop, and it is going to hit 12,800 levels. But when it is going to hit, that is the question. Maybe a couple of days, maybe a week, we are going to look into that. Right now it is getting a support. It will get a support at around 13,000 levels now. So a very good support for Tech 100 is available at 13,000 levels. But let's see whether it is going to achieve 13,000 levels or not, or it is going to stay above that. We are going to look into our analysis part. And see, this 4-hour candle, we can see that this is the previous candle and this is the current candle. I think the max drop which it has to see, it has already seen, as the size of the candle is almost at par. Now if it drops from this level at around 13,100 levels, now if it drops, we can expect it is going to double it. It is going to hit 13,040 13040 levels. That is what I will expect, and from there we could see a little retracement. Possibly we could see a little retracement. However, the markets are bearish, and see, you have expected a rise, you have seen a bull run continuously, so we have to be always prepared for such a sharp drop also, and it can go anywhere. The good support which I expect for Tech 100 is around close to 13,000 levels, and below that it is at 12,800 levels. So looking at this, let's also have a look at the 2-hour candle. The 2-hour candle has also completed. Maybe the low which it has to see is already seen, that is at around 13,080 levels possibly. And one more chart I would like to look at. So this is an hourly chart, and on hourly chart I will be watching that where it closes. If it closes in green, possibly we could see a reversal from here, and we could head towards 13,300 levels, close to 13,280 levels possibly. And now let's have a look at the daily charts. That is the most important. And see how far this daily chart, this daily candle could go. See, this is the drop we saw yesterday, 13,760 to 13,380 levels, rather 13,370 levels, close to that. So almost 400 points. 13, this is after hours. This is a future charts, and the candle include after market hours also. So 400 points, and now the candle has started, the day started around close to 13,370 levels. So how far this could go? This could go till 13,000 levels, close to 13,000 levels. I could expect that it is going to hit 13,000 levels, and the high could be again at around 13,370 possibly. If it tries to reverse, if it tries to go bullish from here, then we could expect that it might hit 13,370, and above that only I will recommend you to go long only after 13,370. Till then you can just watch or enjoy the swings. Maybe you can take a short entry, maybe at 13,200 13,300 levels, because there is obviously there will be little retracement once it completes the drop. Let's say it completes the drop at 13,000 levels, be watchful at those levels. See, let me show you why I am saying 13,000 could be a good support level. See, we have seen this is not only a psychological support, but the support around which we have seen Tech 100 trading since long. Now, how far this could go? See, the highs and lows are equal, almost from 13,000 levels. We can see previously it is at around 13,700, 800 levels, and on the downside also we could find similarly 700 points of drop. Now, here it is almost 1000 points. So once it breaks 13,000 13,000 levels, we could expect again for it to come towards possibly, I will not recommend that, I will not say those levels now, because that is, let's leave those levels towards weekly analysis. Possibly we are going to cover that in our weekly analysis. So from here definitely some level of retracement might be there, and it could again try to go close to 13 to 80 levels. And if it crosses 13 to 80 levels, then my next target will be 13,370, and if it crosses 13,370, then only I will recommend to go long. However, it appears that I am bearish, and uh, we could trade. I will give you the range once. Let's complete the indicators. Let's look at the indicators also before giving you the range. The 13,100 a good support, 13,120 a good support, and then I will get a good support only at 12,900 levels. But these are the pivot levels, and Arun is bearish. You can see the red line is flat, however the green line is going down. I'll not talk about these. MACD lines are divergent and it's in red. The gap is increasing and it is heading towards sell zone. See, it is below zero right now. The blue line is below zero levels, means it is totally in a bearish territory right now. And if the red line also falls in this, we are enter into a bearish territory for Tech 100. Rate of change is also bearish. RSI, see, I will be watchful of the RSI levels, because once it completes 12,800, from there it will drop into over sold zone, and from there we could see a little retracement possibly. But let's not talk about this. See, stochastic is almost going to hit the bottom, and the red line is about to follow from here. Let me draw and tell you. So see, these are the three peaks in stochastic which we have seen, and it might try to go into a oversold territory, and from there we could see a little retracement, and it might, I will not say little retracement, it might try to cover again, or might try to enter into bullish territory once again. But this is a long-term plan. It is not just a day or two. So maybe next couple of days we are going to see 13,000 or 12,800 levels. From there we might see a little retracement possibly, but be watchful and cautious of these levels. And looking at this, I will expect Tech 100 to trade between 13,040. Let me write down the numbers for you. So I will expect Tech 100 to trade between 13,040 to 13,280 levels. Above 13,280, I will expect 13,380. Below this, I will be getting first support at 12,970. It is again going to be a stronger support. So be watchful of this, be watchful and be cautious about this. If it continues to drop, we are going to see this 12,970 also. Below this 12,900, this is going to be a stronger support for Tech 100. And yes, sorry, 12,800 I will say, but this is not going to see. With this, I think we are not going to see today, but yes, be watchful of this. So after 13,380, again sky is the limit for this. We are going towards 13,600. If not today, possibly tomorrow, we could definitely see 13,600 if the day closes above 13,380. So be watchful. I will expect Tech 100 to trade between 13,040 to 13,280 levels. Possibly it will trade between these levels only. So this is for Tech 100. Now let's move towards Dow Jones. See this channel, you are seeing this channel in my screen since long now. Maybe I have uh, just shared with you this in recent times, and we can see that it tried to break down, break above this channel at 35,100, which I was not expecting. I had shared 34,970 is the limit for me to touch, and after that it might hit 35,100. It exactly touched 35,100, closed, also saw 34,700, and now it is dropping since then. So what is the high? 34,800 is again something which it could try to, if it again turns bullish, it could try to else see the candle size. We have already seen this, these two candles are almost of equal size, and we have seen the lower lows. So how far this could go? How far this could go? This could go till towards 34,400 levels, rather I will say 34,370 levels. Possibly we could see if it continues to drop, and from there we could see a retracement, we could see a possibly up move towards 34,600 levels. So let's have a look. This is just a preliminary numbers. Please wait till the last word, because that is again going to be important. Please don't just jump into conclusion that these are going to be the levels for the day. So see the 4 hour chart. 4 hour chart, I think the candle is almost has completed the journey for towards the low. See the body size is already long, tail is there, wick is there, so almost I can think that this is the ideal candle which is being formed. And if it drops, we could definitely see 34,400, close to 34,400 levels, plus minus 20-30 points you can keep. But yes, we could see 34,400 levels, or rather as I said, I will give you the number later maybe, but yes, if it breaks down 34,400, or rather 34,370, then only we could expect it is going to drop sharply towards 34,200 levels. So be watchful of that. And this is on a 4 hour chart. Now also let's have a look at the 2 hour chart. On a 2 hour candle, the candle is almost, I said the candle is almost completed its journey. So mostly, if it the next candle also continues to be in red, 34,400 could be the next level which we could be watchful of. And if it breaks, then 34,200 is for sure we are going to hit these levels at 34,200. So we have seen 4 hour chart, we have seen 2 hour chart, we have seen daily charts. Now let's have a look at the indicators. Please don't get afraid of the screen, but so many things to definitely watch for, then only you can come up with a better number. So as I said, we might look forward to 34,470 numbers, 34,370 number. That could be a good resistance for me. On the downside, if it breaks 34,370, we are having a good support as 34,300 and 200 levels also. So be watchful of this. On the upside, we are getting good support from resistance for the upward move from 34,600. I will say 34,600 is a good resistance to break for any upward move now. And yes, 34,520 is another number which you should be watchful of, because right now it is trading below 34,520, which I think it is a good pivot to look forward to any bearish move for the week. And it breached, that is what I had shared in my weekly analysis. 34,500 could be watchful of. Once it's taken away, this week I'll be looking forward to 34,200 levels for sure. So now let's have a look at the indicators. See Arun is bearish, 8 year. See this MACD lines are going to are converging and might cross over soon. Once this, so trying to converge here and might cross over. Once this crossover, we are going to see another downfall. MFI, I will not talk about. RSI, I will not talk about. See the RSI, is dropping sharply. It was in overbought position, now it is dropping sharply, and it might head towards, now it is in, anyways it is in And see the stochastic on a daily chart is also turning bearish. So it is now it is in sell zone. The red line is over the top, and we are looking forward to a drop. So now let's have a look at the numbers, how far this could go, and what could we expect from Dow Jones today. So I will expect 34 370 to 34 600 as my primary trading zone, in which I will expect Dow Jones to trade. Once 34 600 is taken, I will be looking forward to 34 700 rather I will say 720 level. So once 34 600 is taken, I will look forward to 34 720. If 720 is also taken, 34 800 is the ultimate limit which it could rise till. Possibly we could, I will not expect though it to rise again till here, but these are markets, anything can happen, and it can go till here. Once 34 370 is taken, I will expect 34 200 levels. So be watchful of this, and we might see a trading zone between 34 370 to 34 600 possibly, and it might retrace from here a little, and if 600 is taken, we it will head towards 34 720 possibly. So be watchful of these levels and trade safely, guys. Happy trading. If you like my work, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Thank you very much. Have a great day.